and welcome to my channel. I'm Ruby on Rails girl and I'm super excited to be sharing this journey with you. Today, we are diving into the world of web development with Ruby on Rails. If you are a beginner or just curious, don't worry. This guide is designed to make Rails easy to understand. Let's get started. For my first video, I wanted to share some interesting facts and history about Ruby on Rails to give us all a better understanding of what we are getting into. Ruby on Rails history. Let's start with the basics. Ruby on Rails, often shortened to Rails, is a web application framework written in Ruby. Rails is a web application framework written in the Ruby programming language. It helps developers build powerful web applications quickly and efficiently by providing a set of tools and conventions that make coding easier. Think of it as the foundation for creating websites, like building a house on a sturdy framework. Now, a little history lesson. Ruby, the programming language, was created in 1995 by Yukihiro Matsumoto, also known as Mats. He designed Ruby to be fun and expressive for programmers. Fast forward to 2004, David Heinemeier Hansson introduced Ruby on Rails as part of his work on the project management tool Basecamp. His goal? To make web development simpler and faster. He found the development process to be slow and tedious, so he decided to extract the common patterns and abstractions he was using into a separate framework. This framework was initially named Ruby on Rails as a bit of a joke, but the name stuck. And guess what? Rails took the world by storm. Rails was first released in 2004 and quickly gained popularity due to its focus on convention over configuration, which simplifies the development process. It emphasizes using common practices and patterns, reducing the need for extensive configuration files. This convention over configuration principle has become a hallmark of Rails and has influenced many other frameworks. Fun fact, some of the biggest names in tech, like Twitter, GitHub, and Shopify, all started with Ruby on Rails. Did you know that Rails has been used to build some incredibly popular websites and applications? This demonstrates the power and versatility of the framework. Why choose Ruby on Rails? So why should you consider using Rails? Here are 3 big reasons. Simplicity. Rails has a clean and readable syntax, so it's very beginner friendly. Productivity. With Rails, you can build applications faster thanks to built-in tools and shortcuts. Convention over configuration. Rails follows a set of best practices, which means less decision making and more coding. Rails basics. At the heart of Rails is the MVC architecture, Model, View, Controller. This design pattern helps organize your code. The model handles the data and business logic. The view is what the user sees, like the web page design. The controller connects the model and view, managing the flow of data. Rails makes it super easy to follow this pattern and stay organized. Rails has a strong and active community. There are numerous resources available online, including tutorials, documentation, and forums. This makes it super easy to find help and support when you are stuck. Rails is also constantly evolving. The community regularly releases updates and improvements to the framework, making it more efficient and user-friendly. I hope this brief overview of Ruby on Rails has been informative and has sparked your interest. In my next video, I'll be setting up my development environment and walking you through the basic steps of creating a simple Rails application. So, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy coding!